Aaliyah was full of energy. Bagay na bagay yung gold jacket niya. But it's Aaliyah. Aaliyah, hindi namin alam kung saan galing yung boses niya. I thought it could be siguro clearer pagdating sa diction niya. But apart from that, she's great. Wala na siyang takot. Si Aaliyah walang katakot-takot. Sasabak siya, sasali siya, at ipaglalaban niya yung posisyon. So, great job. Na-enjoy ko yung buong performance. Just from the dance moves and the way she performed it.